100 most common verbs in English everyone must know. Hello everyone, welcome to Journal 3 YouTube channel. Let's learn English together. Before we start the lesson, please click like, subscribe and bell icon. First,
have.
they have a beautiful daughter. 2.
Do.
What can I do for you? 3.
Say.
I just want to say sorry. 4.
Go.
I go to my grandmother's house every weekend. 5.
Get.
I get a nice present from my mom. Number 6.
Make.
My mother makes a cup of coffee for my dad every morning. Number 7.
No.
She knows the name of every kid in the school. 8.
Think.
I think that I've met you before. 9.
Take.
She takes the book from the table. 10.
See.
I can see you. 11.
Come.
Can you come to my party? 12.
Want.
I want some chocolate. 13.
Use.
I usually use a spoon to eat. 14.
Find.
Researchers are trying to find a cure for the disease. 15.
Give.
Can you give me a glass of water, please? 16.
Tell.
She tells me everything about her. 17.
Work.
I work from Monday to Friday. 18.
Call.
She calls her mom every day. 19.
Try.
I try to speak English every day. 20.
Ask.
She asks her a question. 21.
Need.
I need a pen to write. 22.
Feel.
My eyes feel really sore. 23.
Become.
Days become shorter in winter. 24.
Leave.
The bus leaves in 5 minutes. 25.
Put.
She puts the phone on the table. 26.
Mean.
I don't mean to hurt her feeling. 27.
Keep.
Trust me, I can keep a secret. 28.
Let. Let.
He lets his hair grow long. 29.
Begin. Begin.
I begin to write an essay. 30.
Seem. Seem.
It seems that she can't come. 31.
Help. Help.
I can help you. 32.
Show. Show.
Let me show you the room. 33.
Hear. Hear.
My grandmother can't hear very well. 34.
Play. Play.
My daughter plays with the kids next door every weekend. 35.
Run. Run.
I can run very fast. 36.
Move. Move.
I'm so tired, I can't move my body. 37.
Live. Live.
I live in a small village. 38.
Believe. Believe.
I believe that you will win the competition. 39.
Bring. Bring.
They bring us a cake whenever they come to our house. 40.
Happen. Happen.
A funny thing happened in the school yesterday. 41.
Write. Write.
I write a letter every Saturday. 42.
Sit. Sit.
Anna is my classmate. She sits next to me. 43.
Stand. Stand.
My grandmother can't stand for a long time. 44.
Lose. Lose.
I've lost my wallet. 45.
Pay. Pay.
I pay my taxes every year. 46.
Meet. Meet.
Would you like to meet my mother? 47.
Include. Include.
The gift includes in that package. 48.
Continue. Continue.
If the rain continues, we'll cancel the dinner. 49.
Set. Set.
I set the alarm on my phone. 50.
Learn. Learn.
They learn English at school. 51.
Change. Change.
I change my hairstyle. 52.
Lead. Lead.
I will lead the team. 53.
Understand. Understand.
I don't understand the lesson. 54.
Watch. Watch.
I watched TV until 11 p.m. last night. 55.
Follow. Follow.
You have to follow the rule. 56.
Stop. Stop.
I can't stop eating chocolate. 57.
Create. create,
It is important to create a good impression when you meet a new person. 58.
speak, speak,
She speaks English fluently. 59.
read, read,
I read a new book every month. 60.
spend, spend,
She spends a lot of money on clothes. 61.
grow, grow,
Children grow so quickly. 62.
open, open,
She opens the store at 8 every day. 63.
walk, walk,
She walks to school every morning. 64.
win, win,
If I win the competition, I will get a present from my parents. 65.
teach, teach,
I teach English to my students. 66.
offer, offer,
She offers me a help. 67.
remember, remember,
I can remember people's faces. 68.
consider, consider,
I have to consider what to do next. 69.
appear, appear,
His name appears in the newspaper. 70.
buy, buy,
I want to buy an ice cream. 71.
serve, serve,
I usually serve dessert with coffee. 72.
die, die,
Her mom died when she was little. 73.
send, send,
They sent her flowers for her birthday. 74.
build, build,
The birds built their nest in the tree. 75.
stay, stay,
I stay at home because it is raining outside. 76.
fall, fall,
That little bird falls from the tree. 77.
cut, cut,
She cuts the meat into small pieces. 78.
reach, reach,
She reached the top of the mountain. 79.
kill, kill,
They killed the bird with the air gun. 80.
raise, raise,
She always raises her hand when she knows the answer. 81.
pass, pass,
I passed the exam with a high score. 82.
sell, sell,
The shop sells drinks and snacks. 83.
decide, decide,
I can't decide what to do. 84.
return, return,
I return the books back to the library. 85.
explain, explain,
The teacher explains the lesson clearly. 86.
hope, hope,
I hope that she will win the competition. 87.
develop, develop,
I will develop my skills. 88.
carry, carry,
Would you like me to carry your bag? 89.
break, break,
I think I've broken your phone. 90.
receive, receive,
Did you receive my letter? 91.
agree, agree,
I agree with you on this. 92.
support, support,
We will always do our best to support our students. 93.
hit, hit,
The kid hits himself when he is mad. 94.
produce, produce,
The company produces gas. 95.
eat, eat,
I usually eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. 96.
cover, cover,
She always covers her face with blanket when she is sleeping. 97.
catch, catch,
The eagle catches its prey. 98.
draw, draw,
Jonathan can draw very well. 99.
choose, choose,
He chooses a shirt from his wardrobe. 100.
pull, pull.
Let me pull the box to that corner. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps you to learn English better. See you in the next video. Bye.